Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change nickname on Webtoon application. Your Webtoon nickname is the name other readers see when you comment or interact with them, so here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Webtoon application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the homepage of Webtoon, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner where it says Mine. Once you're inside the Mine tab, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots. Once you're inside the More menu, click on Settings. Here, you will be able to see your nickname at the top, tap on it, and enter a new nickname in the text box. After typing it down, click on Check for availability, and if the nickname is available, you will be able to save it by tapping Save. So there you have it. That is how you change your nickname in Webtoon account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.